What's up, people? Another night ride. It's gotta be done, man. You got most of the road done. They probably need to do another layer yet, and then it'll be probably all the way done. Still got some pretty decent traffic out there. It's like 9 o'clock at night. Did my laundry, did a little bit of grocery shopping. I'm just working my way home, man. I have a full battery this time, so hopefully I can get you all the way to my place. Be about a half-hour video, maybe. Gotta really watch where I'm going here, man. See a little bit of the road. See about 20 feet in front of me, maybe 30. A lot of heavy equipment out here and a lot of different stuff they moved around, dirt and shit. So I'm gonna have to find my way around here, man. See what we can do here. Now I'm on the new asphalt. Hopefully no drunk dumbass comes on this side of the road thinking it's all him, man. I laugh, but crazier shit has happened, man. Riding on asphalt this time instead of dirt, so they got it paved all the way down there. I think they have to stick one more layer on both sides, and then this part of the highway's done up to where you cut off to go to my place. So yeah, man. Craig Taylor, past that on the way down. I might get one more video come Wednesday. We get our permanent fund dividend, which means every eligible Alaskan that's lived here for more than 2 years gets a permanent fund dividend. This year it's $1,114. Should be way more than that, but because of government bullshit, they're slowing down the amount and downgrading the amount of the PFD. So, all that traffic's heading into Wasilla with the headlights. Anything passing me on the right side is heading towards Fairbanks. So basically, I'm heading north right now. Northwest. Yeah, this is all paved highway now, man. Not doing asphalt. about 15 miles an hour, trying to make some time so this video isn't so damn long. It's another 3.5, 4 miles from my place. There's that awkward silence. Moody, where are you? Hope that's not a cop up there waiting for me. Y'all, when you guys send me packages and stuff, that's where it goes, right there. You all have an office mailbox there. One of those road manager guys. Got his light on. A little chilly out here, man. It's probably about 38, 40 degrees. But I got the wind blowing in on me, so a little bit colder, man. Whoops. Yeah, you guys can see that shine, that shiny shit. That's the asphalt. The road crew up here. Cool if they're getting this done. As long as the snow holds off for the next 2 weeks, I think they can get all this shit done. Especially the rain. As long as the rain and the snow holds off, pretty sure they can get what they need done here enough to open the road maybe. Not sure about that, but it's possible. close to where I cut off to go to my place. Totally out in the boondocks. We have stuff out here, stuff, stores and whatnot. Husqvarna dealership, a couple other places, storage units, small grocery stores, firehouse, all that shit. Gas stations and whatnot. Back where I'm at, I'm 2 miles away from the actual gas station down here. My front door down to this gas station right up here, about 2 miles. Feels good, nice and smooth though, the road is. Turn left here to go to my place. That's a fire station over there. West Lakes Fire Station. We tore up all the gravel up here for about 300 feet. So right now I'm driving on mud and stone. But I think they're going to put some asphalt down in here really soon. Kind of have to. It's helping me see what I'm doing out here. That's the road right out there. Yeah, there's street lights and stuff back here. Back on Hollywood Road, there's one or two. That's just to let you know there's sharp turns coming up, man. Otherwise, it's just you and the headlights. See the yellow line over there. thought somebody was behind me there for a second. That's not a light, that's just a sign being reflected. Otherwise it's pitch black out here. Except for a few street lights. Yeah, I did see a car coming. One headlight. Get over here on the other side of the road, so I can duck off on the trail if I have to. I think the Rocker R4 was telling me, hey, you put some more stuff up, man. So put some more stuff up, man. Yeah, we're on the final stretch to my place. It's just right up. You see that little piece of light over there to the left? Center of the screen? That's where I gotta go. Left and right side of me is basically swamp and bog stuff. Hope you guys are excited for Jack Flash and Andy Dion's new song tomorrow. Hope to see you guys there. Be there. 10 p.m. sharp. Tuesday night, East Coast time. T-shirt giveaways. Brand new song, brand new band. Awesome stuff, man. Jack Flash and Andy Dion. 10 p.m. East Coast time. Tuesday night. Don't be a dink and not show up. Street, man. Bang. Little lake across the street over there, can't really see it. A 22-minute ride from where we started to my house, so not too bad. Average speed about 12 miles an hour. That's cool. I think my new phone has night vision on it, but I don't know if that's just for photos or videos. But once I get the case for it, I order on Amazon that stuff so I can protect it. I'll probably start taking some films with that in 4K. So that's cool, man. That phone, the new phone I got, takes 4K video. It's a little more advanced. It's got 128 gigs of memory and shit, so I can store a shitload of video on it. still uploaded okay. I'm still getting used to the phone. Neighbor got some Christmas lights up. There's my place, but you can't see it. Oh, there. Oh, there's the hippie hut. See all the leaves on the ground? All the leaves on the trees are gone. Can't really see it, but hopefully some part of the day. Hey, it's all lit up. Hopefully some part of the day you saw that the trees were totally nude, man, no leaves. Pull up here a little bit. Get my groceries out of the back. Boom. That's how cold it is. See that? There you go, that's my breath. Boom. Alright, people. Damn, that thing is bright. Love, peace, hippie grease, all that happy horse shit. Hope you enjoyed the ride, man. Yesterday's video, it didn't pass inspection. What I did is I downloaded it and then I re-uploaded it, and now it probably doesn't have any global blocks, but it has the side chat missing. So I have to wait for 2 or 3 days for the other one to clear up, and then you'll see the side chat. But if they get me for the global shutdown, then the side chat will go away, and so will the video. And then basically what I'll just leave there is the uploaded video that I put up there today, man. So if the other one wins its dispute, it'll come back with a chat and everything else, and everything will be okay if nobody contests it. But the video, I downloaded yesterday's video and then re-uploaded it, and sometimes when you do that, they don't catch the global. So obviously they didn't, because you guys can see it. Here's the hippie hut at night. See all the leaves on the ground? Can't really see. Boom. Oh yeah, boom. But anyway, man, you guys should be able to view the video in its entirety. You just won't have the side chat with it until another day or two. Then you'll get the side chat back, and then I'll put the one I uploaded into private. And then if that video gets doesn't come undone from its global, if they decide to fight it, then I'll just delete that video and leave the one that I have uploaded already there, because it obviously passed, man. It's what I say, man. It's a 50-50 gamble anytime I play a cover from you guys, and it really depends on who has the rights to the videos that I upload or that I play from you guys, as to where they may or may not get a global shutdown for me, man. So it just really depends. But as far as Little Arm Guitar, man, did a great job on the cover. It was awesome, man. And bro, it's not your fault, because the video got shut down. That's just the way it is sometimes. I do what I can to fight him, and so the video can keep the side chat. And if it doesn't, if they dispute it and say, no, dude, or we're going to keep you blocked, well, then I already got that video uploaded, and that's what it would be anyway. But it still has your video in it at the end, so they didn't catch it for a global. But no side chat, but that's okay, man. It's all great music. It's a radio show. Sit down and plug and play it in, and just listen, man. It's all good stuff. And yesterday's show was a great show, man.
And again, stay tuned for Jack Flash and Andy Dion doing their new song from their venue called Giant Killers, man. It's going to be t-shirt giveaways, and that's open to anybody worldwide. All you have to do is send me an email and put Giant Killers in the subject and let me know who you are in the body of the chat if your email does not match your YouTube name. But I got to get my groceries in. This is going to be about 30 minutes long. It's probably going to take 2-3 hours to upload. But again, love, peace, hippie grease, man. Take care of yourselves, people, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Peace. The hippie hunt. Peace, people.